Well, thanks for joining us for the News at 6. I'm Hunter Funk. A first-of-its-kind program in Washington County is changing how first responders handle mental health emergencies. Jude Binkley shows us how specially trained paramedics are bringing support to those who need it most.
Washington County residents have a new resource to call when in crisis, with a community paramedic program being piloted to bring new mental health resources to the rural county. Paramedics are the first ones on scene when seconds count, and now they're becoming the first line of defense for mental health crises in Washington County.
We can go meet that person where they're at, figure out what the situation is, hopefully de-escalate the crisis.
Through the pilot program, specially trained paramedics respond directly to behavioral health emergencies and substance abuse calls, whether through 911 or the mental health hotline 988. Ashley Lynn was the first paramedic to go through the training.
The idea is to try and keep people in their homes if possible, and if that's not feasible, work on getting them directly into whatever resource is going to best help them through what is happening.
The program is a partnership with Southwest District Health aimed at bringing more resources to the rural area.
We want people to be able to have access to more behavioral health care. Washington County is a place where there's not a lot of supports.
We're kind of out here in the middle of nowhere. There's not a lot, kind of like an island.
We have never had a resource like this before.
In an area where mental health resources are scarce, the program aims to change how crisis calls are handled to take pressure off law enforcement.
Those calls now can go to a community paramedic and not have to have law enforcement involved with something that doesn't need law enforcement.
In the big picture, we hope to just kind of take a little bit of ease out of the system and help those in need in the process.
We're here to jump in there, help people. It's difficult. It's sometimes ugly and scary for people to navigate these kind of situations, and we're here to kind of be that voice and that person to help in those situations.
This program is a free resource and can also be used by Washington County residents when they're concerned for a loved one's mental state. In Weiser, Jude Binkley, Idaho's News Channel 7.
Jude, thank you.